guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia here, and today I'm going to give you what you guys have been asking for, an updated skin video. So I'm going to be inserting some pictures of how my skin looked from, I think it was 2017 till now. Some of the pictures, my skin is really bad, but I'm gonna do a disclaimer. I have been doing chemical peels since I was in middle school. My skin gets better and then it gets worse, and it's just been a whole lot of. So you're gonna see some really bad pictures of my skin. And even right now I am breaking out. Like right here I have a mark here and I was breaking out here, but they're going away. They're not as inflamed as they were. They look way better than yesterday. This one actually I put warm water on it and let it just do its thing, which I did with these, and I put Neosporin on it. I stopped my retin-A because I'm gonna get another chemical peel to just help my face out even more. I want to get it, I want my skin as clear as possible. So if anything my skin does start acting out, I can target those areas. I don't want any more dark marks on my face. I want it all to be clear. So in this video, you guys, how my face did during my chemical peels and the last chemical peel I had, which you guys saw the process of. So if you have any questions of what else I was doing with my skin, I really just tried to keep my skin as clean as possible. So the first things first, please go speak to a dermatologist. If you are confused, you don't know what's going on with your skin is just being crazy, it's just going out of whack, which happens when you are acne prone. You can't really stop it. It just keeps going and going, and you just want to cry, which I cried a whole lot because I saw my friends and their skin was really clear, and I'm like, what am I doing wrong? I'm drinking a lot of water. They're drinking all of this stuff. They're eating all of these sweets, and I don't really eat sweets, and I don't really drink a lot of drinks. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong? I was washing my face more than them, and I'm like, they're putting lotion on their face. I'm gonna put lotion on my face. I literally go out and buy stuff dedicated for my skin. And I was just so clueless and very heartbroken because I was doing all of this stuff and my skin was really bad. My skin recently got better during like 2019. I looked up a lot of stuff on Pinterest, and Pinterest was like, put Neosporin on your acne and blase. That really did help. And I also started to tone, and I got rid of so much stuff. AJ, food as much as I was, and I started to cook. I don't know if that played a part in it. And I was also exercising during the semester where my skin started to do really good, and I loved it. It made me less stressful because during that time, you know, you're working out your body, you're loosening up your muscles and all of that. So I don't know if that really played a part. I don't know. I just noticed my skin was really enjoying all of what was going on. Do I eat out? Yes. Do I drink sodas? Yes. Do I drink a lot of sodas? No. Do I drink a lot of drinks? No. She's not really big on sodas. She's not big on candy, so we don't really have that in my house. So it is face for 30 seconds. So I cleanse my face 3 times, morning, noon, night. And during those 3 cleansing sessions, I cleansed my face 3 times during that session. So during that first session, I do 60 seconds. And then I go in with another cleanser if I have another cleanser. If I do not, then I'm going to use the exact same cleanser 3 times. And the first one is going to be my longest cleanse. It's 60 seconds, and then my other one follows around 60 seconds. I usually try to do it 50 seconds, and then the other one is kind of like a rinse and get done. And then I was going in with a toner. I do not tone anymore. I need to buy some more toner because I was really enjoying it. But I did have some rose water spray that I used on my face as well. My cousin told me about Aloe Vera, so I went and bought me some Aloe Vera, and my skin absolutely loves it. So it is what it is on that. I also, what else did I get? There's a lot of people that say, oh, coconut oil is this and that, blase blase. Listen, okay? Do what works for you. No one else has your skin. No one else has your skin except for you. So do what works for you. Now the thing is, do not rely just on coconut oil. Coconut oil is not a cleanser. Okay? Coconut oil is not a cleanser. Coconut oil, to me, is like that finishing step. Like that, you know, the pizzazz in your makeup and skin. It's just that. It's just the sparkles and the glitter to your skincare and makeup care. Oil and aloe vera oil has SPF in it, natural SPF. So the thing is, I was using coconut oil, and I really noticed my skin was doing a whole lot better. And you know, if you're acne prone, you're supposed to use sunscreen. And I don't know if it's because I was using the coconut oil and it does have natural SPF in it that was helping it, or what, but there's a lot of things that were playing a part in how my skin was clearing. It wasn't just the chemical peel, because I'm going to show you what the chemical peel did, and I'm going to show you, you know, pictures now. And of course I still break out. It is what it is. I still get tiny bumps here and there or in a certain area, and they go away. They come and they go, and it is what it is. And when I feel like I'm like, did I drink enough water? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go drink some water, and let me go do this, let me go do that. And another factor I think was playing a big part in helping my skin clear was I started taking vitamins. I was taking the Hello Bello gummies, multi-women vitamins, and I was taking hair, skin, and nails. So you can take those together. I think you can take all of them together because they're like they're made to be together. That's what they said on the website. I stopped recently taking the Hello Bello for a while, and I started to use the Main Choice because I want my hair to grow, which it already is. And these have only been in for 2-3 weeks, something like that. And it's already growing, you know, but I want my hair to grow fast, okay? So I just bought those 2 days ago, and this will be my 3rd day using them. So I'm excited, and I also bought some growth oil and blase blase, but that's a different video. So y'all's time, I'm gonna let you see the pictures and let the pictures speak for themselves. So leave a comment down below if you want my skincare routine, what I do now, and comment, share, and like this video. Thank you guys. Bye. So guys, this was my face in 2017 all the way down in 2018. And you can see I kind of had cystic acne. It was really bad. It was painful. And you can see I had a chemical peel my first semester of college, and then I got another one and my skin was doing really, really good, and then it got back kind of bad. And this is my skin now. And these are the two pictures I took today.